Most men think women fall in love because of looks, status, or money. But here's the truth nobody tells you. A woman doesn't fall for a man when he tries to impress her. She falls when he makes her feel something she can't explain. She falls for the man who enters her mind quietly, who stays there silently, and who becomes a mystery she can't stop thinking about. Attraction isn't loud. It's hidden, a secret art, a psychological pull that works without her awareness. And once it starts, she will chase you without knowing why. Today, I'm going to reveal exactly how that happens, and how you can trigger that hidden desire in a woman's mind, without manipulation, without games, and without begging for attention. Women fall for what they feel, not what they see. You can have good looks, you can have money, you can have a perfect body, but none of it matters if she doesn't feel something special in your presence. Women fall for energy, not appearance. They fall for consistency, not flashiness. They fall for a man's emotional impact, not his bank account. A woman might admire a handsome man, but she desires the man who makes her feel curious, safe, challenged, excited, all at the same time, when she can't predict you, when she can't read you easily, when she feels something different around you. That's when the fall begins. 2, the power of mysterious masculinity. A woman's mind is naturally drawn to mystery, not because she likes games, but because mystery activates her curiosity, and curiosity is the first step to attraction. A man who doesn't overshare, who doesn't rush, who doesn't try to prove himself, creates a psychological tension inside her. She starts thinking, why is he so calm? Why doesn't he need attention? What is he hiding behind that confidence? Why do I want to know more? This is where her mind starts chasing you. Not because you pushed her, but because you pulled back with power. 3, the subtle ART of male presence. Your presence is your strongest tool. Not your jokes, not your messages, not your compliments. Your presence. When a man walks into a room with calm confidence, when he speaks slowly, clearly, without rushing, when he listens more than he talks, when he stays grounded even when she tries to test him. A woman feels something she rarely feels. This man cannot be shaken. And that feeling makes her feel safe in a way she doesn't fully understand. Women fall for the man who controls himself, not the one who tries to control others. 4, the unseen power of detachment. Here's the part most men never learn. A woman falls fastest for the man who isn't desperate for her attention. Not rude, not cold, not arrogant, just detached and focused on his own life. Women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose, men who have direction, men who are busy becoming better versions of themselves. When she sees that, something clicks inside her subconscious. She realizes, this man doesn't need me. And that's exactly why I want him. 5, how women fall without realizing it. Here's the hidden process that happens inside her mind, slowly, silently, invisibly. Step 1, she notices you. Your energy feels different. You're calm, you're collected, you're not chasing. Step 2, she becomes curious. Why do you feel so stable? Why aren't you desperate? Why does your presence feel attractive? Step 3, she starts watching you. Your silence becomes interesting. Your confidence becomes magnetic. Your unpredictability becomes irresistible. Step 4, she starts thinking about you at random times, before sleeping, in the middle of her day. She wonders, what is going on with me? Step 5, she falls quietly, not loudly, not dramatically, but deeply. She falls for the man who made her feel something she couldn't put into words. She falls for you, without you forcing it, without you begging for it, without you even trying. 6, a man becomes irresistible when he focuses on himself. The strongest attraction formula is simple. Become a man she respects, not a man who only wants her attention. Women fall for men who have discipline, men who protect their peace, Men who don't react emotionally. Men who have direction. Men who don't chase validation. You don't attract a woman by trying to impress her. You attract her by improving yourself so much that she feels lucky to be noticed by you. This is the hidden art of desire. 7. The final truth. A woman doesn't fall for the man who gives her the most compliments. She falls for the man who gives her the rarest feeling. He feels different, not because he's trying, but because he is naturally in control of himself, his mind, his emotions, and his purpose. If you become that man, even slowly, even imperfectly, even step by step, women will fall for you without realizing it, because desire is not forced. It is created, quietly, powerfully, unconsciously.